Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm going to go over an overview of the Ultima ZT line of zero-turn mowers. The Ultima ZT, since it came out, just been a fantastic seller, performs great, and it really has a model to fit every customer's needs. So they start with the ZT1. The ZT1 is available with 42, 46, 50, 54, and now a 60-inch mower deck. The 42 is available with a stamped steel or fabricated deck. Two different options, two different models. And all the rest of the line, 1, 2, or 3, would all be the fabricated. So just touch on the fabricated deck. The fabricated steel decks, they're formed and welded. Structurally, they're a stronger deck. That's what you'll find on your commercial mowers. So besides the entry model, they went ahead and put fabricated decks across the whole line. So a really very durable mower deck, which is what takes a lot of the abuse, I guess, the wear and tear when you're out mowing. So as you move up the lineup, the ZT2, so they're all in the same chassis. What you get when you get to a ZT2, they use a different transmission, so it's an upgraded transmission. So the ZT2 is available 50, 54, and 60-inch decks, so it's designed for a little more property. And the heavier transmission gives you slightly faster ground speed, but more importantly, it's going to be a little more durable. So if you have a larger property, maybe a little more rolling terrain, would be a little more strain on those hydros, this is going to give you longer service life and a little smoother. It's a little smoother transmission. Excellent upgrade on the transmission. You also have bigger tires, front and back, give you a little nicer ride. Also, it comes standard with armrests, which are optional on the ZT1. Some nice upgrades, but the biggest difference is, like I say, the transmission. I should point out, depending on the models, most of the Ultima line is running the Kawasaki FR Series engine, and they do have some models with Kohler, so depending on your preference, we've got good matchup of engine options available. So the ZT360 added some nice little upgrades from the ZT2, higher back seat, little springs on the front forks to help absorb some of the little bumps. So if you want a nice little upgrade, the ZT3 might be an option for some of those larger property owners. So that's a little bit about the Ultima ZT series. Stop on in. Our sales team would be happy to go through all the differences and find the right one for you. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything from lawn to snow.